So I just got a question. How do we roll our high peak frame cables? And it's pretty easy. We just grab onto it, put it on the elbow, and roll like you would an extension cord. But the main question is, how do you keep them from unraveling when you put them away in the box or bin or however? And the first way is really easy. Zip ties. One should be good. Yeah, these are kind of hanging out, but whatever. So the problem with zip ties is now you need something to cut that. Sometimes because the metal's kind of abrasive, you can use friction and pull to break it. But let me show you my way that we do it so that nothing is needed. So same thing, we're just gonna roll it in your hand and elbow. But at the end, we're gonna leave a little bit out. And I'm gonna take it and put it through itself 2 to 3 times. Now, this won't come apart. This is all good. Then when you're on the job site, you just undo those, and then you're ready to go. So again, let's leave a little bit of it out. And put it through itself like twice. Then it's all good to go. Back on the job site, undo that, and then you're good to go.